You tell me what the color of Dorothy's dress is. What color is it? Is it blue?
Yeah.
Do you like the Tin Man?
Yeah. I don't like the courage.
You don't like the courage.
No, I like.
Does the lion have courage?
Nope.
Nope. Do you like the Scarecrow?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like the Wicked Witch?
Nope.
Nope. Don't like the Wicked Witch either. Do you like Glinda?
Yeah.
What is Dorothy's little dog's name?
Uh-huh.
What's Dorothy's little dog's name?
Toto?
Toto. And what color is Dorothy's dress?
Red.
What color is it?
What color is it?
Is it blue?
Yeah.
What color are her shoes?
Uh-huh.
What color are they?
What color are they?
What color are her shoes?
Dorothy, take your shoes off.
Did Dorothy take her shoes off? Oh no. Did we take our shoes off?
Yeah.
No, we're not supposed to, are we? Not at school. Oh goodness.
You can't go cough.
Yep, you have a little cough.
No.
And do the Munchkins live on the yellow brick road?
Yeah.
Do you know that song?
Yeah.
Where are they gonna go?
Uh-huh.
Who are they gonna go see?
Go see.
Who are they gonna go see?
Yeah.
They're gonna go to Oz?
Yeah.
Who are they gonna see in Oz?
Uh-huh.
The wizard?
Yeah.
The Wonderful Wizard of Oz?
Yeah.
You love that movie?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite movie?
It's not tangled.
It's not Tangled. No, it sure isn't Tangled.
No. It's Wizard of Oz. It's Wizard of Oz.
The
not
Wizard of
Tangled.
Oz, not Tangled, right?
Right.
Is The Wizard of Oz your favorite movie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
David, watch